Hello! Here are the learning menus for Room 18 starting Monday, April 28th to Friday, May 2nd. So if you look at the purple boxes, you can see that there is writing homework each day this week. So make sure your child has their writing calendar and they know what they're doing each night because it's a little bit different. The first day is brainstorming, the second day is the organizer, and then they publish their story. And there's a social studies test on Friday. So let's get started. For writing today, there's going to be a review on Greek gods and goddesses, completing a chart, and working on coloring pages. And Mr. Larson will read another Greek myth out of my mythology book. Snack and the math. This week, the kids are going to work on adding and subtracting two fractions with the same units, but then also with different units and also mixed numbers. So it's a lot this week. And then instead of Math Win, there'll be time for a spiral review of all math concepts. So just some extra math practice. And then for Literacy Win, the kids will be able to complete all of the digging in work in Mr. Larson's Literacy Win. On Tuesday, the day starts with chorus, and then for writing, we're going to begin reading Percy Jackson. Chapter 1 is going to take 2 days because that's kind of like the launch, and there's a lot of characters that are introduced, and we're going to start a character chart and everything. Then Mrs. Curris will come in and do a lesson. The kids will go to gym and library and have a snack. For math today, again, they're going to add and subtract using the same units, but subtracting from a whole, so there's a new concept coming in. Then for social studies, the kids will learn about the gold rush today and tomorrow. And for Literacy Win, there's a new unit, mapping the unknown, and the big question, focus question, is how do people create maps of new places? And the kids will preview the 3 book covers and notice and wonder. On Wednesday, the day begins with writing, and they'll complete Chapter 1 in Percy Jackson. Social studies, it's the second day of the gold rush. Miss Alexa will do her lesson, and then the kids will go to gym and have snack. For math today, it's going to be word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions. And again, instead of Math Win, there'll be a spiral review time. And for Literacy Win, the kids will begin reading Marie Maps the Sea. On Thursday, the day begins with social studies, and the kids will be learning about the inventions during the westward expansion, which is the steam engine, steam locomotive, the water wheel, steam-powered steamships, and what's the third one? Oh, the telegraph, sorry. And then they'll go to art and have snack. For math today. They're going to add fractions with related denominators, meaning they're going to find a common denominator. Then they'll be writing, which is the Chapter 2 of Percy Jackson. And after lunch and recess for literacy, for Marie Maps to See, they're going to complete the organizer and do the written response. On Friday, for writing, the kids will be working on Chapters 3 and 4. Go to music. For social studies, it's the unit quiz today. They'll go to digital learning and have snack. In math is a topic D quiz. And then they'll have some spiral review. And in Literacy Win, they'll be reading Braving the Cave. And that is the week in Room 18.